palagi siyang nagagawa ng paraan. Apart from their continuous fouling in the second half, what opportunities allowed you to maintain your distance?
As you said, yung pace ng laro, that was our comfortable pace. We were able to sustain that kind of a pace, although I'm looking at the stats now and they still had more fast break points than we did. But I think overall, yung bilis ng laro, yung ball movement namin, just being able to attack the basket, get to the free throw line, and the good thing about it is we survived a bad free throw shooting night. We only shot 52% from the free throws, and we also survived a bad night in terms of turnovers, 19 turnovers. I think that's also what gave them those fast break points. Whenever you turn the ball, you're giving up fast break points. Pero maganda yung 3-point shooting namin. We were aggressive. I think we were able to, early on, especially in the first half, we were able to defend their key players, si Perkins tsaka si Balungay. And that's when we were able to take control of the game nung first half. Sinustain na lang namin. But for a few times, nakadikit sila. At least nagawan ng paraan. We were able to find ways to put some cushion or margin between us and them.
Thank you, Coach Yeng. Now, Adrian, against TNT, na-limit ka to 8 points, shooting 3 out of 12 from the field. Pero today, nakagawa ka ng paraan para maisahan ng Phoenix as you achieved your career high and first 30-point game, shooting 10 of 20 from the field. Anong nakatulong sa bounce-back game na ito? And just, how are your emotions knowing na it's your first career high?
Galing kami sa talo tapos sobrang sama din nung nilaro ko nung last game namin. So wala akong ibang inisip kundi talaga makabawi. Yun lang.
Thank you, Adrian. Now we would like to open the floor to our friends from the press.
Coach, congratulations.
Thank you.
5-3 record na kayo and almost 1 win na lang to get your goal to get win number 6 and the quarterfinals berth. Pero yung next 2 games nyo is San Miguel and Ginebra. So, parang ma-test kayo dun sa 2 games na yun.
Yes, naka-focus kami talaga dun sa 6 wins. So we're 5-3 right now. Nahanap lang namin yung paniguradong makapasok kami sa quarterfinals. Our next game is gonna be against Terra Firma. We also don't want to underestimate them. We want to prepare hard for them because kanina yung game nila, they played 3 good quarters. Yung fourth quarter lang medyo bumigay sila. So they're still very dangerous. So we want to come into the game against them on Wednesday mentally prepared. Namin yun, clincher namin yun. Kasi after that, dalawang mahirap na laro naman. So if we don't play really well on that game, it's gonna be harder getting the 6 wins that we're looking for.
Coach, bisa natin sa natin na quarterfinals is yung seasoning sa top 4.
Tsaka na namin po problemahin kung makaka-top 4 ka o hindi. Basta importante, makapasok ka muna dun sa next round. And yun nga, 6 wins gets you there. Maybe after we get our 6th win, kung may chance pa kaming maka-top 4, tsaka namin iisipin yun.
Coach, you signed Chris Porter earlier. Does that mean that mas matatagalan pa yung pagbabalik mo?
Yeah, we're being cautious with the situation of both. Mas mabuti nang nag-iingat. Yun nga, make doctor's clearance siya. Actually, he can practice, but still, we want to be safe. We want to be able to have him recover fully. No? So yung si Chris Porter, sinay namin basically to have another big body, no, na pwedeng pang match up dun sa mga malalaki rin. Tsaka yun, gusto namin yung mga may itsura din. Bawal ang pangit dito sa Reno Shine. So, may advantage siya ron. Nakakuha siya advantage.
Coach, ano naman si Chris Porter? In shape mo siya or nag-practice na ba siya?
Nagpa-practice na siya ng ilang araw. No? So, dati ko naman player yan sa NLEX. So, he knows me and I know him. So, I don't think magkakaroon ng problema sa blending niya sa team.
Hindi, wala ka namang, kasi di ba na-sprain ka nung TNT game? Wala ka namang naramdaman na okay ka naman, hindi ka naman.
Okay naman po kasi naka-tape naman po. Tsaka hindi naman po masyadong malala.
That sums up our post-game press conference. Thank you and congratulations once again to your Raiders side.
Hindi po.